First thing I did was remove the foot peg, exhaust, and slacken the brake lever out of the way. Then I drained the primary oil and slackened the chain. That gun to get the nut off this clutch hub. As you can see, the clutch hub is toast. It's full of grooves. The clutch basket has really bad grooves as well, so I'm going to be replacing them both. That's probably why the clutch was sticking a bit. This is a tool that I bought. It's the clutch hub extractor. The part number's on the screen. I'm gonna be replacing this seal. It could be the culprit of the leak. I gently pulled it out with a pick, which went side to side. These are the bearings that are underneath of that seal. We're gonna add some silicone around the splines. We're gonna put the tab on, add another 1/8 inch bead of silicone around that, and install the nut to about 80 foot-pounds. Now we're installing some roller bearings. There's about 20 of them, and I added some grease to hold them in place. Now it's time to torque down the clutch center nut to 50 foot-pounds and reinstall your clutch plates in the order you took them out.